अस्सलाम वालेकुम, this is Yumna cooking creation. Today I am making homemade waffle cone. As you guys know, I previously told you how to make chimney spoon for homemade ice cream. For homemade waffle cone, we require half cup of flour, 1 egg, quarter cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of granulated white sugar, 30 gram of melted butter, quarter cup of milk, and half tablespoon of vanilla essence. In a large bowl, we add all ingredients except flour. Now we mix it well with the help of electric beater. Now we add flour. And mix it well. If batter is honey, then we add 1 to 2 tablespoons of more flour. Now the consistency of batter is perfect. We keep it aside for 30 minutes. After half an hour, the batter is ready. Now we place the batter in 5 to 6 inches of circle on a cookie sheet. Now we place it in a preheat oven at 180 for 7 to 8 minutes. Now we take out the tray from the oven. Now we take it out from the sheet and roll it in a cone form. Our cones are ready.